Hello everyone, this is Mr. Rodit, and in today's LeetCode problem of the day, you are given with the question minimum time to make row colorful. You are provided with balloons, 5 or 6 or n balloons, and you are provided with the time Bob will need to pop the balloon or to remove the balloon. So such that the balloons should be balloons adjacent to each other should have the same color. For like this, see in this example, red, blue, and then blue and blue. These two balloons shouldn't be side by side. You have to take one balloon out of this sequence. Okay, and the which balloon will be taken out of this sequence will be decided by the minimum time needed. You are also provided with the time. So for this balloon to remove out of the sequence, it will take 1, it will take 2, and this balloon will take 3, 4, and 5, and it will be removing the minimum one. See, 3 is the minimum, so there is no 3. So it got missing, and this is one example. So see, the output is 3 because this is the minimum time. Let us take another example. See, for example, in example number 3, you are provided with 5 balloons. The 2 balloons, the 2 blue balloons shouldn't be side by side, and also here 2 blue balloons shouldn't be side by side. So we have to calculate the total time required Bob. So to change the sequence into an unique one, I mean that no 2 balloons should be side by side. No 2 consecutive balloons should be of same color should be side by side. And here you get a blue balloon. One of them gets removed, and here also one of them gets removed. So how it is determined that which one gets removed? So it is determined by the time which is taken by the Bob to remove the balloon from the sequence. So this balloon, so it is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See, you remove either one of the 2 balloons. So which one will you remove? You will remove this balloon because it takes minimum as 1 is lesser than 2, and for these 2 balloons you will take 1 as 1 is lesser than 4. So total will be 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Hence this is the answer. So let us understand this further by taking a custom example. For example, and the balloons are denoted by the string A, B, A to denote different colors. Same colors will be represented by the same characters. Different colors will be represented by different characters. For example, let us take this example: A, B, 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 C, C, and D. Let us take this example, and let us take E here for understanding purpose. And let's it is the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is the index, and the time taken. This is a time taken array. I will be writing the time taken array. And for this, to remove the balloon E, it will be, for example, let's take 10 seconds, 9, 11, 8, 2 seconds. And for this balloon, let's take 1, 5, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 11 seconds. So you have to remove this consecutive balloons of same color, of color A. You have to remove. So which one will you remove? As you can see, you will remove this, and this, as these 3 are minimum, and this is the most expensive one. It will, if you remove this, it will take the most time. So you will not want that in your answer. So you will add this up, and for this sequence, which one will you take? Which 2 will you take? You will take this one and this 3, and you will add this up. This is the most expensive one, and out of this 2, you will take this, and you will add this up, and you will return the summation of all this 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons. So how will you do it? One approach is to check two variables, S and E. So at first, S equal to E equal to 0. Both variables will be initialized to 0, and when and E will increment when the next next string is same of same color. For example, this S and E will be there, and for this S and E will be there, and for the next iteration E will come here, and next for this iteration E will come here, and next for this iteration E will come here, and for this group you will calculate the total time. You will calculate what? Will you calculate? You will calculate the total time, and you will subtract the total subtract the maximum from this total time. You will residue equal to total time minus max, and you will get all this sum. Okay, and for residue, and then after when you get the different color, you get different color again. S and E will be in the same position. Therefore this E will increment this, and then again to this. Okay, so again for this you will calculate a residue equal to residue plus this residue will be taken here, and residue plus the sum of all these things of 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9 minus what's the maximum? 5. You will get 4 plus 4. So you get this, and you will do the same thing for here, S and E on the same same again on the same index, and then increment E, and then for this group calculate the total 7 minus what's the max 4. Okay, 7 minus 4, and you will get 3, and even this 3 will be added in the residue, and at last, and for this nothing will be done, because as S and E will be on the same position, and nothing will be done, and you will return the residue. For the problem, and so you are taking both S equal to 0 and E equal to 0, and you are taking a variable in where you are storing the colors length, the string colors length, and you are taking a max, a total time, and the sum that you will return for the function, and you are starting from S less than n and at E less than n. So you are watching over both cases, that if S is less than n or E is less than n, you are watching over both cases, and then for each iteration you are storing max equal to 0 and total time equal to 0. And this is the main logic, where you are calculating the total time for the group, and you are finding the max of that group, and you are incrementing the E. And what is the condition? Such that the character S and E, the characters are same, for which you are running the loop. Okay, and then you are storing the sum, and lastly, after it's over, you are again putting S and E at the same position, and then at last you are returning sum. So is the code, and these are the base cases. Okay, and this is also the base case, where such that the S doesn't exceed n, and also E doesn't exceed n. For that it is given, and it is for traversing. Okay, and that's it for now. Let's meet again tomorrow if possible, or let's meet again someday later.